Hey guys, Kobe here from Nose Audio. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make music for TV and film placements. If you want more information about how to get your music placed, I will put a link in the description for a great YouTube channel called Sync My Music, where you can get a lot of information about it. Okay, so let's hear the track and then we'll go through the elements one by one. So this is the track. As you can see, it's very dramatic. Yeah, let's start off with the piano. As you can see, yeah, it's The Gentleman by Native Instruments. I've added an OTT. Then for EQ, a little bit. Echo Boy by Soundtoys, great delay, a bit of compression, which not doing much. And the main effect here is the Porta. Grain swells, that's the preset. Here is without it. And here is with the effect. As you can see, it adds some weird effect that I like. This is the string section, violin. It's from a library called Berlin Strings. Highly recommend you to purchase this. This is the viola, again from the same library, and the cello. After that we have the percussive loop. I bounce it into Wave, but I remember that it's from a Kontakt library from called Project Chaos. This is the bass drum from Kontakt, also from the same library. And yet again, another loop from Project Chaos. That's the guitar lead. from Evolution Infinity. As you can see, it adds a lot of emotion. That's the bass. Nothing fancy, a bit of processing. Very simple and basic effects. Yeah, this is it, guys. As you can see, nothing special. All you need to do is try to create an emotion and make it dramatic if that's what you're after. I'll put a link in the description if you want further information about how to get your music placed on TV shows and commercials. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Peace.